LEGO WeDo is like the LEGO NXT but scaled down for ages 6 to 9. In this short video, you'll see a teacher working with a second grade student who is learning to program his first WeDo robot, the birds that you see here. Students can build any of the 12 objects shown here, but since it's LEGO, imagination is the only limit to what can be created. WeDo uses LEGO bricks that you'll recognize, along with a motor and sensors. Students can write programs that tell the motor how to react based on input from the sensors. You can see that many of the creations involve gears and pulleys. This makes for excellent ties into standards involving simple machines and other physics concepts. WeDo creations can be the subject of biology units, creative problem-solving activities, scientific investigations, and design processes. WeDo is also challenging to students' spatial abilities, which are linked to success in science, technology, engineering, and math careers. WeDo is also part of the Junior First LEGO League, an engaging academic competition for young children. Now here's a second grade student learning to program his first WeDo robot, a set of birds that will spin when they detect motion. So what we want to do is write a program that's going to run this. So the first thing you need to do is come down and grab this block. You grab that and drag it, and just go put it up here somewhere. Perfect. I want to tell you about these different buttons. This one will make the motor go one direction. This one will make it go the other direction. This one can make it go faster, slower. This one turns the motor off. This one makes the motor run for a little bit of time. So you see all those are the motor blocks. And you can set different amounts of time for it to run with that one. This one shows the tilt sensor, which we're not using right now. Did you hear that? It's got little balls inside of it that tell it when it's leaning one way or the other, so you could have your motor run when you move that. We're going to use the motion sensor, which is right here, for 10. So let's try it now. Do you want to push play? You push this play button just like on a DVD player. Now it's waiting for your hand. Isn't that cool? Try it again. Oh, it won't work. You know what? You already had the right piece earlier. I'm going to grab that repeat loop. You come down and get the repeat loop. Bring it up on top there. If you bring it all the way up here, it's going to suddenly jump, so it'll show over now. Let it go. See how its shadow's going there and it grabbed around everything? So now it's going to keep on working. So why don't you put your hand in the way? Now wait, and then put your hand back. Isn't that cool? And you can put that on anywhere you want. It doesn't have to see anything. It'll feel when you move it. Great. Now the big thing is now it couldn't possibly work because we need to take off the motion sensor and put on the tilt sensor. You can actually just grab the tilt sensor and come drop it right where the motion sensor is right now. Gotta go for 106. So now, to make it work, what do you think you have to do with the tilt sensor?
Like, I don't know.